My name is Adrian Nanchev, and this channel is all about helping you become a remarkable entrepreneur. So click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. Now, how does the Forex market and the stock market work? They are incredibly valuable, incredibly important even, to the way economies function and work. When the stock market is high, generally speaking, confidence and consumer confidence is high. Companies have strong earnings, and generally the performance is rated on their stock. Forex market is essentially just the pairs of currency and how they relate to each other. When good things or bad things happen in a country, that will affect the strength of that currency compared to other pairs. In England, for example, in the Brexit, the pound dropped, which meant the pound lost strength against the dollar, and a pound was worth less dollars. £1 was, say, worth $1.30. Afterwards, might be worth $1.20. So it loses strength over time. And these differences and how the stock market works in relation to business and entrepreneurship is vital. Because we need to know how the whole world interacts together, and how one change here or one announcement over there, how it affects the entire market, because that entire market affects banks, and those banks can affect lines of credit, and those lines of credit can affect you, and or at the very least your customers. Because if they can't buy your stuff, then you've got a problem right there. So it's worth understanding how the banks and the stock market works. So the question of the day, this is a bit of a small video perhaps, the question of the day is, what don't I know about the stock market and about the Forex market? It's important, worth understanding these things. Some places like Investopedia will be very useful for this. Understanding, you type something in like EPS, earnings per share, into Investopedia, it'll give you some really genius stuff. So it's worth understanding what don't you know about the stock market and the Forex market. For the stock exchange, I approach it more with value investing, when I'm looking at a company's intrinsic value and the competitive advantage, and a little bit of the management and what they do, and as well as the numbers. And I'm looking at, is this company worth investing in? And the Forex market, good gracious, crazy stuff that they're going off there. We're talking binary options or just Forex trading. A lot of interesting stuff there. But also the Forex is an indication as to how strong the economy is, and how strong and how the government is performing as well. Because if some bad decision happens or some mishandling of something, the pound, for example, can go down. So it's worth understanding how these work and what they mean for you and your customers. So the question of the day is, what don't you know about the Forex market? If you haven't already, subscribe, click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification right next to it for future uploads.